Hello. So this is another video blog. Yeah, it's Wednesday today, and I got no work. I'm multitasking right now, making this video and making coffee and toast. Yeah. So last night I went to go see a movie called The Ugly Truth. Have you seen it? It's really good, and I suggest you go see it because it's so funny. I've not laughed that hard in a long time at a movie. It's so good. I'm gonna buy it when it comes out. It's a great movie. And guess what? The seats were all packed, like to the top, to the very top when we walked in. So there's 2 rows right in front of the screen. 2 rows. So we had to sit in one of those 2 rows, looking up like that. We sat in the farther one, away from the screen. There was 1 more row in front of us. But it wasn't that bad. We got used to it. Well, I got used to it throughout the movie, and it was fine. But yeah. And plus, them 2 rows right up at the screen, the seats recline right back, like boo. Making sound effects for reclining seats. What's wrong with me? Yeah. What else? I'm about to watch The Real World Cancun right now. It's on soon on MTV. Yep. My favorite show ever on MTV is Real World Cancun Rocks. What else? I'm doing everything with one hand because I gotta hold the camera. Well, I don't got it. I can put it down, but screw that. Anyway, here's Diamond, just chilling on the couch with me. She likes The Real World too. Huh. She's cute, I know. I know somebody's gonna comment in this video saying, cute dog. I know, she is, right? Yeah. Right now on TV, it's Daddy's Girls. Yeah, I don't watch it. I don't know what it is. Real World's on next. I'm thinking that should be the new one. Not from last week. It's on at 5 though. Then there's another one on at 10. This happens a lot though. When I think it's the one at 5, I think the one at 5 is usually last week's episode. You know what I can do? I can go info. Yeah, this is the old one. The new one's on at 10 tonight. Jesus. That sucks. What am I gonna do? I've watched this last week's episode like 3-4 times. Well, 3 times actually. The fly. Cool, spider. You see that spider? I think it's dead. Die. I taught her how to lay down. Look, I'll show you. Okay. Diamond, come here. Come here. Come here, Dad. Come here. Okay, look. Sit. Or lay down, whatever. It didn't work. Okay, roll over. Roll over. Roll over. Lay down. Lay down. Lay down. Hi. I don't know. She's not cooperating very good. Here, Di. Have a treat. Do you want it? No. Do you want it? No, I'm kidding. Here. That's mean. And I'm not mean. My coffee's done. I did not put my toast down. That's it. Bye. Peace. Peace. Bye.